The DJI Leo 1 and Leo X1 aren't just another pair of mini drones. Even though DJI already has a bunch of sub-250-gram drones, these new models seem to be taking a completely different approach. From FCC filings, leaks, and even clean product images, it's clear this isn't just a simple upgrade, it's a shift in how drones are designed and used. The Leo 1 feels like the ultimate beginner's drone. Lightweight, simple, and easy to use, it's designed to remove all the usual friction. Around 22 gigabytes of internal storage means no worrying about SD cards, and the controls are basic but intuitive. The leaked price is somewhere near $330, making it accessible for casual flying. This is the kind of drone you pick up and just fly. No setup, no complexity, just capture. The Leo X1, on the other hand, is aimed at people who want more control and better performance without stepping into the heavier, more complicated drones. It's expected to have about 42 gigabytes of storage, advanced transmission for stronger signal and longer range, and full 360-degree obstacle avoidance with LiDAR-style sensors. Flight time is around 30 minutes on a standard battery, possibly more with a larger one, and intelligent features like tracking and waypoint flying make it a strong choice for creators. Leaked pricing puts it around $759. What makes the Leo series really interesting isn't just the specs, it's the philosophy. DJI seems to be moving toward drones that behave more like gadgets than traditional drones. Voice commands, motion-based inputs, and app-based automation are all part of the plan. Less manual control, more intelligent assistance, and an experience that feels natural even for beginners. The design reflects this shift too. The arms are refined and rigid, improving stability and reducing vibration. The clean white finish makes it approachable, not industrial. There's a front display, LED indicators, level 5 wind resistance, and structural improvements that make both drones stable even in challenging conditions. For casual flyers, the Leo 1 will likely be enough. For creators looking for more performance without complexity, the Leo X1 hits the sweet spot. DJI isn't replacing the mini-series. They're creating options that fit different types of users, from casual to serious content makers. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. The Leo series feels like a reset for sub-250-gram drones, blending simplicity, safety, and cinematic quality in a way that hasn't been seen before. If the leaks are accurate, the future of lightweight drones is already here. Which one would you choose? The Leo 1 for casual flying or the Leo X1 for more serious content? Drop a comment below and stay tuned for more updates on DJI's latest innovations.